Alrighty, we go to the bottom and screw this one. And screw this. Hold on a second. This one is like really tough to get. So let's go get our pliers and be right back. Oh, I can get a screwdriver. Be right back. As you guys can see, all right. We're back with our screwdriver because this one was a little sturdy on us. A little too sturdy. All right, we got our screwdriver. Always remember, lefty loosey. And as you can see, it's loosening up. The fish easy. Alright, there we go. This PVC pipe is in my way. Keeps knocking the dang on screwdriver out, guys. There we go. Alright, and since it's an AC, sometimes like the screws get really corroded or rusted because of the water. Okay, it should be a little loose. There we go. All right, there we go. Boom. So now you need to pull this air filter out. Alrighty. Whoa. Didn't mean to do that, guys. So, I don't know if you guys can see all the way, but at the bottom is a filter that I'm going to pull out for you guys. Alrighty. Alrighty. Took that out. I don't know if you guys can see all the way, but at the bottom is a filter that I'm going to pull out for you guys. Alrighty. Alrighty. Took that out. Now we get the brand new filter. And we try to slide that bad boy on up in there. Alrighty. Air filter back in. Now all you need to do is put the screws back on. Alright. And remember with the screws, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Boom. And that, my friends, is how you change your air filter. Whew. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. Channel Lou Blue.